Volktek introduces the Lite Managed Ethernet switches, a series of versatile devices with hardened components and the most relevant management features. The series features the Lamungan management platform, comprised of a wizard, a topology map, and a dashboard designed to aid operation and information technicians in applications where the transmission of data is crucial. The wizard helps users to speed up the setup process in 3 simple steps. A 3-color scheme helps to visualize the network devices and link status, where green means normal, yellow, alert, and red, critical. It also provides information on system performance, traffic, and power consumption. This way, Lamungan increases the reliability of the network so that an unexpected problem could be addressed immediately, increasing safety and minimizing losses.